succulent, potting soil, a shovel or tablespoon, and a pot. Remember, if you don't have a pot, you can use one of the gardening containers we made in the last video. First, find a succulent that you like. If you already have a succulent, you can use that. Otherwise, you can go outside and have a succulent scavenger hunt. Once you've found a succulent that you want to use, remove one of the leaves from the succulent. Make sure to pinch it off at the base. You may want to take more than one in case some of them don't take. Fill your pot with soil. If your pot doesn't have any holes, you can add a layer of pebbles at the bottom to give the soil drainage. Place the leaves on top of the soil and place your container outside or in a sunny window. Water your succulents a little bit every day for the first 5 days. Make sure not to water your succulents too much or they could drown. If you have a spray bottle, you can use that. Spray the soil just until it's wet. Otherwise, you can water about 1/4 cup every day. After the first 5 days, reduce your watering to once a week. These tiny leaves may seem unassuming, but pretty soon they'll grow into something like this. Have fun and happy gardening!